all the element called format ID. Here, 15.
Music therapists are a totally different type of student. They're really motivated by wanting to help people and not monetary reward. And everyone has a personal story. And I teach two things. I teach a class that gives them percussion skills, so it's music therapy for non-percussionists. And then I started going to their recitals, and they are so talented. They're incredible vocalists. They all play piano and they all play guitar, so it's like gamelan. So most of the work they do solo. So I'm thinking there should be an ensemble. So I started a music therapy ensemble. And as part of the requirement, we go on site to different places like the Goddard House, which are for Alzheimer's patients. And it's so rewarding to see what transformation you have. You know, the patients come in wheelchairs and they're really like catatonic, and then we pass out shakers, and then we start doing Over the Rainbow. They start singing, you know, What a Wonderful World, Louie and Ella. And I mean, I get chills telling you, because you take them a place they never go to anymore. Former student, we became really good friends. She played harp, perfect for a music therapist. So part of her internship was at Mass General, and she was working on the cancer ward, and there was a 10-year-old who had pretty bad cancer, I don't know what kind, but was very, very depressed. And she would go in every day and talk to her and try and engage her, and nothing worked. And she had sort of this fake, simple little miniature harp. So it went on for like a month, and my friend was trying, nothing worked. So one day she went in with her little harp, and it had these little foam balls on the harp, and one fell off and hit her in the head. So the girl just erupted in laughter. So she said, "Oh, this is working." So she took the ball and started hitting herself in the head with it, and it turned into a game, and that was the turning point. Totally improvised. So I get chills with that too. I mean, that's a beautiful story. Yeah. They became best of friends, but it took something like that. I mean, you can throw out the books, you know, and you're thrust into really all types of situations. The class for percussion, I always go around the class, have them introduce themselves, and I've said, have you had some sort of epiphany in your life? And almost everyone has a story, maybe a special needs brother, or maybe a grandmother who has Alzheimer's, or maybe someone who had a stroke. So they see that and they want to help, and that changes them to wanting to do more of that in the world. And I'm telling you, they are special students. They don't want to be the next Beyonce. And it's rewarding for me to be a part, because I feel, I mean, I am a music therapist in some respects, but if I were 20 years younger, I would go back and do the major, because I would really like to do it. I like helping people, and music's a gift, and they're using that gift, and again, it's not financially motivated. So I feel good about the future of the world. I do. The cliche, which is so silly, but it's true, music is universal.